randomly always like this brand, Max Studio. $7 though is kind of crazy, and the print's not like perfect, but if we'd styled cute. Another $7. I feel like if I had it, I would wear it all the time, but I'm just not excited about it. I love Tommy. This is $3.99. If it wasn't this bright yellow, I'd like it. And then this is kind of really boring, but I love these baby doll dresses, and it's Old Navy, but it's 100% linen, so I'm going to pick it up because they're just so nice to have in the summer. It's actually empty in here, which is awesome. I have not been to this location in years, I feel like. This is cute. It's Lucky brand, but I just don't need it. $5.99. Cute. I want to go through every single thing today, like we're doing one by ones, and I really need to pick up little like blazers. It's time to get those. This is just Old Navy, but I've been really liking this style of top. I don't think I'd be able to try it on. Maybe I don't love it. I want it to be like more chiffon, not so silky, but the cut is really nice. And then this Rampage top, if it wasn't orange, I would totally get it. I love Rampage. I'm just like, that's so pretty. But no. Before we get into the rest of this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Ritual for sponsoring this video. I've talked about them before. They are the prenatals and vitamins that I've chosen to take in with this pregnancy. I feel like a lot of second-time moms don't know this because it was new to me this time around, but choline is a very important nutrient during pregnancy. Ritual's natal choline supports baby's cognitive function, and you can get 25% off. It's been proven to promote information processing speed during infancy, sustained attention in early childhood, and helps the body efficiently use omega-3 DHA, a key nutrient to help fetal brain development. So every day I take 2 of the Ritual Essential for Women. These you've probably seen online. When you just open the bottle, it smells like mint, which can be so helpful for moms who struggle with, I have pregnancy brain, moms who struggle with morning sickness. So I take 2 of these, and I'm pretty sure you can choose what they would smell like either citrus or minty, so choose what works best for you. Then I'll take 2 of the natal cholines. These are more like citrusy. And then I take a natal biotic, which is a microbiome support biotics for mom and baby. They're all just like the same looking little pill. They either taste like mint, citrus, or no taste, so they're really easy to get down, which is such an important thing, is that you can just take your prenatals, because I know a lot of women have trouble getting them down in the early months especially. I've really enjoyed taking Ritual for this pregnancy. Everything's looking good. We're nearing the end, so I feel like they've been working really well for me. If you guys want to check out Ritual, you can scan the QR code on screen or use the link in the description box. Either one will get you 25% off your first purchase on Ritual. So thank you again to Ritual for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of it. Oh my god, you guys. Calvin Klein dress, $10. This very Carolyn set. This little dress is so cute. I don't know why I like this bag so much. It's only $2. This Ralph Lauren shirt with the lace up. I think I'll leave it. This would be so cute backwards. It's just like a little striped shirt, but don't you think it'd be cute? Honestly, either way. This one's Banana Republic. It's just a good silhouette with a little bow. I might just pick it up. $9, so it's kind of a lot, but it'd be good to have. Okay, then these two. Suede BB. Like, I don't need this, but it's coming home with me because you never find something like that. This one's also baby. Insane. Little Faded Glory denim shirt. I'm looking through every single t-shirt right now. We'll see if it's worth it. Luckily, these things are by size.
Please have someone from Brick and someone from Domestics up front. Brick and Miss Domestics up front. Thank you.
This is size small t-shirts. Luckily, everything's by size. What does that say? Should I know what that is? So I'll probably just do the small t-shirts. I don't even think I'll look for medium. Can be like, honestly, because I'm going to be postpartum, I'll probably be a bit more so a medium this summer. But let's see if this is even worth the labor of love. You're balancing on basically nothing. I wanted to say that I normally skip that whole front section where it's like boutique and they kind of just price things higher. But I already have like a full cart of their boutique items. So I'm like, have I been sleeping on that? But the location closer to my house, truly, the boutique items are horrendous. Honestly, it's been pretty horrendous besides home decor. But also, I can't like try things on and give them a fair chance right now because there's a baby in my tummy. There's nothing here. I feel like I'm in a different country. Why can I not read half these words? We're in long sleeve tops now. Let's do it. I've got this entire row of smalls. And I probably should look at the mediums as well, because they would definitely fit me. But out of all the t-shirts, this was all I found. It is really cute. I have no idea what this brand is. STR, originally $35. I gotta look at it better. Let's do this. This shirt's really cute. And I was like, what is DBA? But like the cut and the fit of it, I could tell it's good. And it's Adidas, the David Beckham Academy. So I will not be getting that. But I like the colors and everything else about it. Not that I don't like David Beckham, but I don't know enough to be repping it. If he was my boyfriend's favorite soccer player, then I would wear it. But he is not. I'm such a sucker for a tag. But I thought this shirt was cute. It's like a nice chiffon kind of material, which I've been liking. And then the tag was cute. See, these are only $3.99 because we're out of that boutique. But I don't think I'd wear it. We've moved through a lot of different ones, but look at this. It's weird, and I like it. It's almost tutu-y. This just feels like forever till it would fit me, but I love the piping of this skirt. What is it? Express, that makes sense. Looks old though. And then like the little, it's really cute, but a long time till I'd be able to wear it, I think, if ever. I love these style. $5. Okay, I don't show this part, but I always go through the media because we have a DVD and a VHS player, and I saw this. We have the cartoon Peter Pan, so I was like, oh, this is live action because that's a good one. What is this? There's no way. That's what it is. I've been in here for 2 hours. I'm going delirious. It either smells like ASS in here, weed, or Abercrombie & Fitch 2000 cologne. There's no in between. Okay, I can't try a lot of this stuff on because, but I'll show you. I've been looking for a top like this for so long. This was on the like racks where they didn't put stuff out yet. I already know I'm getting this. I think it's 100% cotton. You can just feel it. But these in the summer are so cute and elevate an outfit so much. It's almost like a butter yellow. I'm so excited I found this. This seems so boring, so lame, but like, it'll be so good. So I'm definitely getting this. Do I try it on? I'll try. No, it's a small. It's just gonna look ugly. This linen dress, I'm definitely getting. Nothing special, but like, especially postpartum, being in the summer, 100% linen. I want that. This This is just $1.99 gray t-shirt. I wear these all the time. It's Gildan, so it's 100% cotton. It's slept on getting something like that, but always wear it. Then this is actually Madewell, but it looks so vintage. It's a maxi dress. It's a size small, so it won't fit me for a minute. $14.99. Oh, it's an extra small. But it has pockets. It feels so soft, so nice. I know that's something I'll wear all the time, especially with like these shoes. Okay, now I have to actually try these two blazers on. I want a nice black blazer. This one's a bit bigger. The next one I have is more fitted. This is $5. Ducks. Sure. So this looks funny because of my bump, but I think that this will be the right size. It feels pretty tight right now, and this one's a lot smaller, and I want it still like a little bit oversized. I'm also looking for like a tweed, like gray, more knit style one, so I will get this definitely for $5. Or do I not want black?
Manager up front, employee purchase. Manager up front, employee purchase, please. Thank you.
No, I'm gonna get it. So I'm not putting my sweater back on yet. This is the stuff from the front that's just so insanely good that I think I'm getting all of it. Okay, first is this little BB zip up. This is a size large. Do I like the bedazzles? It's just such nice quality too. It's like a knit sweater. But for $12? Why is this lens like nasty? You guys, I think I'm leaving it. I don't think I'll wear it. And it's a large. So it's not really like my size. That's crazy. Because it's so cute. But somebody else would wear it way more than me. This little bag I think I'm also leaving for $1.99. It's like, I think if it was burgundy, I would get it. But like the bright red just wouldn't go with stuff in my closet. But very cute. This one I'm definitely getting. It just like looks so pretty. It's like nothing special, but it's everything special. The tie in the back. It's a size large. All these BB pieces have to be from the same person. And this is $6.99. I just feel like that's going to be gorgeous. Can't try it on yet. And it's a large, but it has like the tie. It'll fit correctly. This one, insane. This is the find of the century. BB Real Suede. Size medium. So that's actually better for me. Oh my god, it has the tag still on it. Like, it's just so pretty. Where am I wearing this? I don't know. To the park with jeans. I think like my favorite type of style that people have are the ones who just like appreciate anything's cute and wear it. Like, is this my style? Maybe not, but it's cute and I'm gonna wear it. And it's $11, but worth it. This one's kind of random. It's Banana Republic, medium, $9. But these are so pretty, this neckline, and I like the little tie with it. It just looks expensive and like night out, it's good to have, I feel like. This one too is very random. It's supposed to go this way. It's medium, white and black, $8. White House Black Market. That's what it's called. And this is like the cowl neck front. But I think wearing it this way. Let me move you down. You don't really need to see my face. I think that'll be really cute. A lot of black right now, but whatever. And then this little dress. It says it's a size 16. It does not look like a 16. By Amy Byer. $5. It's gotta be like a junior 16. It just seems like something cute that I would wear. No, I'm not getting it because it's off the shoulder. And then let me show you the things I'm getting for my daughter. This is for the boy. It's just like dumb and cute. I love t-shirts. This for her. So cute. Little like capri shorts. I love these kind of tops. They're so nostalgic. I'd wear this. And then these tops are just cute to go with like anything. Okay, if you guys even care, just like random stuff. This is so good to hold toys. Like, that's all. Just all the little toys we have. Sometimes a big basket's too much. I thought this frame was so cute. It's $2.99. It's like a fabric one, and I know I'm gonna need more frames to get pictures of my boy. This is a good movie. What is it? Night at the Museum. Probably too old for my daughter, but you never know when you're gonna find stuff. This is definitely too old for my daughter, but if I see one, I'm picking it up. I don't have the other ones yet, so I need them. And then we don't have Aladdin, but this thrift priced them at $5.99, and then at the other thrift by my house, they're like 25 cents. So I was a little bit upset about that, but a really good thrift day. I ended up spending $90 altogether, which is a lot, but I got really, really, really good stuff. And I know I purchased more from like the boutique section. I mean, it's worth it if I'm gonna wear it. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to get some thrifting done before I'm postpartum and just like not leaving the house, but I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.